Xiaomi had launched the Mi 11 Lite 4G variant earlier this year, and now it has added Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G at a starting price of Rs 26,999. In this video, I'm going to unbox this phone. We'll take you through its specifications and features, so stay tuned till the very end. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. This is the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. The packaging is the same as the Mi smartphones, only that now you have the Xiaomi branding here instead of a Mi. Let's just open the box and have our first look at this phone. So first up is this pouch where you get the SIM ejector tool. There's a quick start guide, a Type-C connector, 3.5mm to Type-C connector. Of course, that confirms that you do not get a 3.5mm headphone jack on this phone, and I wasn't even expecting it because this one is actually quite thin at 6.8mm. You also get a protective case here. Moving on to the phone itself. So I have the vinyl black color variant with me, but the phone actually comes in 4 color variants, so you can also buy it in Jazz Blue, Tuscany Coral and a new Diamond Dazzle color variant as well. And all of these colors come with a matte finish, so you will not see too many fingerprint smudges on the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. Let's keep the phone aside and have a look at the charger as well. So you're getting a 33 watt fast charger inside the box. There is also USB to Type-C charging cable. Now this phone looks very similar to the Mi 11 Lite 4G variant which we had earlier this year. This is not a direct 5G variant of the Mi 11 Lite, but an entirely new phone where NE stands for a new edition. This is probably going to be Xiaomi's nomenclature for its upcoming phones, just like Apple has the SE variants and Samsung has those FE variants. The phone is still quite thin at 6.8mm. Also, it weighs just 158 grams, and you can see that it has a very good in-hand feel, but overall the body is quite broad and it almost looks bloated. In fact, what I'll do is I also have the OnePlus Nord 2 here, which comes in the same price segment, and I'll put these phones side by side and you can see that OnePlus probably has a better weight distribution and the overall body does not look as broad as the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. I think it's going to take a while to get used to of this new Xiaomi branding. Even the camera module is not your usual rectangular module, it's a squarish module here, and it has a triple rear camera setup which includes a 64 megapixel main camera. There is an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor and also a 5 megapixel tele macro lens, and on the front you get a 20 megapixel selfie shooter on Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. Now Xiaomi claims to have done some decent job on the display front. So what you're getting is a 6.55 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. It supports up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and this is a 10-bit panel. This is the same panel which Xiaomi had also used on the Mi 11 Lite 4G, but it comes with Dolby Vision support for Netflix, and that's the big upgrade here. You of course get the Widevine L1 certification as well as HDR10 Plus certification on this phone. In terms of specifications, the Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor. It's the same chipset which Realme used on the Realme GT Master Edition, and iQOO also has a couple of phones with the same chipset. So there are plenty of options with this chip. There are two variants. The 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant is priced at rupees 26,999, while the 8GB RAM variant with same storage is priced at rupees 28,999. Both the variants will be available with few discounts during the Diwali season. So you get a 4250 mAh battery on this one, and of course, as I told you, it comes with a 33-watt fast charger. One more thing which I want to mention here is that this phone supports 12 5G bands. So usually there are a lot of phones which give you 1 or 2 5G bands, and once the 5G rolls out in India, you may face difficulty with those devices, but on this one you're getting 12 5G bands here. So this was our unboxing of the Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. I hope you like the video.